After a long day of exploring, it's time to relax. Chill with some music and let's have a drink. This stylish bar is located at Yunlin. You know, the owner loves to travel, so he would visit the place and find the local produce and incorporate that into his cocktails. Just like the shared cocktail, it has the pineapple, lemon, and honey, freshly from Yunlin. This place is so relaxing. Coming here is like visiting a friend. Look at that, all the decoration, it just shows the strong characteristic from the owner. You know, the figures, all the signs, this is such a great vibe. And my buddy here. Hey Boots, want some more? Here, over here. Over here, over here. All right, you have your snack, I have my drink. Cheers. Although Yunlin is an agricultural county, but it doesn't get bored at night. You can still find plenty of activities over here. On top of the platform, you can enjoy the grand view of Yunlin County at night. But what's more special about this place is you can have a foot bath while enjoying the view. Oh, our food is coming. Wow, no wonder I don't see any waiter or waitress here. They use the train system to deliver the food. This is so cool. Such a clever idea. Wow. It looks delicious. All right, we got 35 seconds. And the waffle, my God, it smells so good. And these are the towels. These special bags, these are bags with Chinese herbs. You can put it in a foot bath. This place is just perfect. Whether you want some individual time or fun gathering with the friends and family, this is just ideal. Look at that. The grand view of Yunlin County, late night snack, and foot bath. Not to mention somebody was celebrating their birthday, so we enjoyed the fireworks. Unbelievable. This is probably the only place you can enjoy all three at once. Isn't that so great?